Hi, this is Silvia, and today I am back in the Smeg kitchen to solve your dinner party debacles with 3 dishes that bake all at once in our beautiful classic pyrosteam oven, which I'm going to turn on now onto Supercook, which is a spectacular function. I'm going to pop it onto 140, pop the steam at 40%, and that's done. So I said 3 dishes. We've got a main, a side, and even a dessert, and there's gonna be no transfer of flavors whatsoever. So let's start with the broccolini. All I'm gonna do is just drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now the fish, it's a beautiful snapper. Acqua pazza, crazy water. It's sparkling water. And let's get our beautiful snapper. And all those flavors will just create the most delectable little sauce. So this is also self-saucing. Now with the dessert, I have got a little white chocolate budino, which is Italian for pudding. The beauty of the steam will create beautiful, beautiful texture throughout. Now, the oven is on, and we're just gonna pop the trays in. In under 20 minutes, you've got your dinner party sorted. And Supercook will do the magic for you. This is truly the food that makes me happy to cook and to eat. Very gently accommodate these really succulent pieces of snapper onto a bowl, and then we're gonna pour over all these glorious juices of our crazy water. And lastly, our beautiful budini. I'm gonna crush some amaretti on top. And there we go, your dinner party is sorted. No fuss, let the oven do the work for you. And for more delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit smegcucina.com.au.